Has it ever been that you want to send the same text or type the same message over and over and over again, but copy paste isn't the right as you can't always copy? Well, if so, then today I have the perfect tutorial for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Saksham Sharma with another tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to make a text shortcut on iOS. So if you have an iPhone, iPad, then that's great. You can continue watching this video. However, if you have an Android and you're looking how to replace the text on Android, then you might want to check another video out, or you can still watch this video and know how to do it on iOS. It's totally up to you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So as you can see, I got my phone here, and which is currently running iOS 12. So this feature will work whether you have iOS 12, iOS 11, 10, 9, 8 or anything that's above iOS 7. So let's get started. So the first step is to write the phrase that you want to paste every time you write a shortcut. So what I do is I use Notes app, and I already made a short note for me where I say, hey everyone, here's my channel link. I give my Twitter ID, Instagram and Facebook for my channel. Now I want this phrase to come every time I write a shortcut, and to do that what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. So I'm just going to tap once again, select all and copy. So as you can see, I have this copied and I can paste this as many times as I want. But however, if I copy something else, I won't be able to paste this anymore. And that's where this trick comes handy. Like, you have multiple shortcuts and there are multiple things, more like long paragraphs, or just something, a message that you want to send over and over again but don't want to type it. So shortcuts can come really handy for that. So to set a shortcut, what we're going to do is we're going to close Notes. Once you have copied the text you're working on, we're going to go in Settings. Once you're in Settings, you're going to go to General. In General, just scroll a little bit down until you see Keyboard. In Keyboard, it will be the second option where it says Text Replacement. Tap on that and you will see there will already be one text made for you. So it will be OMW, you can see on the left side, and on right side the abbreviation of that, which is on my way with an exclamation mark. You might say you never made a text replacement before. This is in all iOS devices by default by Apple. So if you want, you can delete this, and to delete it, all you do is swipe right if you want to do that. Or to make a new one, you're going to click on the plus icon on the top right corner. Once you do that, it will ask you your phrase, and now we can just paste the phrase that we copied, and we have to create a shortcut. This is optional because then you have to type half of the phrase to get the shortcut open. But if we write a shortcut, it's easier. So I'm just gonna make a shortcut and call it YouTube. Once you make your shortcut, just press save on the top right corner and your text placement is basically done. So now we can open Notes again, or you can open Messages, anything you like. So I'm just gonna make a new note, and now instead of pasting, I'm going to use the shortcut I just made. So the shortcut I made was YouTube. So I'm just going to type YouTube, and to get the phone to replace the YouTube with a shortcut or with a phrase, we're going to press the space bar. As you do that, it will replace the shortcut with the phrase. So we can do that again. I will just type YouTube and press space, with YouTube and press space, and it will replace it. So now what if I copy something else? So for example, I'm going to copy everyone, and if I paste, you will see I don't get the old text back on, so I won't get the whole phrase back on. And now, but if I say YouTube and press spacebar, it will give me the whole phrase. Now one thing you might be wondering, does it have to be the way you type the shortcut? It's absolutely no, because for example, if I go in Settings, and you can see I have YouTube in small case or small caps, and now if I go in Notes and I actually capitalize and I say YouTube in caps, on big caps, and press space, it will still replace the text and put the text that we pasted in the phrase section. So that's how you do it on iPhone. If you are on iPad, it's the same exact steps. I will put the steps in the description below if you like that, or I will just go over them once again. To make a text replacement, you go in Settings, scroll down until you see General. In General, you just go to all the way down, not all the way down, but mid down to Keyboard, which should be above date and time. In Keyboard, you just go to text replacement, and your text replacements will be here. You can make as many text replacements as you want, as long as you don't forget the shortcut. And once again, as I said before, you don't have to be on iOS 12 or the latest iOS. It will work any iOS above iOS 7. So that's all for this video on how to quickly replace a text or type the same message or text over and over again without actually typing it or without using copy and paste. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please make sure to press the thumbs up. If you want a similar video like this, you can leave a comment below, or leave a comment below and tell me how you like the video, if you would like to change the style or something. Other than that, make sure you press the subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking on the bell icon so you stay tuned or you get notified basically whenever I post a new video. And if you like this video, on you might know someone who also uses iOS, iPhone, iPad, why not share the video? Once again, thanks for watching.